Welcome back, everybody. Well, even if you like winter and snow, like Tiff, your car probably doesn't. Freezing temperatures, road salt, and those potholes can really lead to problems you might not even be aware of.
Yeah, today we're kicking off a monthly educational series with Van Horn Auto Group on how to properly maintain your vehicle so it stays healthy and reliable. You got to check this out. Chris, you are the service manager here. They call you Coach Chris.
That's right.
Here. And we're going to be doing the keys to car maintenance here monthly, teaching people how to maintain their vehicle properly, because it's confusing for us. And you guys are the expert at Van Horn Honda of Glendale. What do you love about this new spot? 31 different car bays?
31 bays, 5 express bays for your simple maintenance, oil changes, rotates, some of the other little stuff, tire repairs and stuff like that. It really makes it much more easy to get people in and out and get their cars done and done right in a timely amount.
That's what people like, right?
Yeah.
They want to come in, they want to know that it's quick, it's easy. They don't even have to be a current customer of Van Horn Honda. In fact, that's the thing. You guys are a local, community-based place where you can come on in and learn. And I always feel like as a female, I get a little intimidated going to take my car in. My brothers are mechanics, so I already have a leg up, but you guys treat people like family.
That's right. We don't do anything on other people's cars that we wouldn't do on our own. It's pretty simple. If you're not going to fix a problem that you have on your car, if it's a minor thing, you're going to let the customer know that this is something that we need to keep a beat on, and then actually do what's needed and not oversell. That's key. And then people will trust you that way.
Yeah, because you want to be safe but not oversold. I like
right.
that.
Yeah.
That's a great key right there. Yeah. So walk us through the experience. You come here, you drive in, it's indoors right away, and you've got these great sensors immediately.
Yeah, the Hunter machine will tell us your tire tread depths, whether or not it's in or out of alignment, which is really nice. Big screens come up and you can actually see the visual of where your alignment is, and you can decide that if you want to, with tires being as expensive as they are, if we should get it aligned and have it corrected.
I need 2 right now, so I understand how that is. Yeah. Coach Chris, we're coming out of winter. What's something we have to think about for our cars as we enter into spring?
Mostly coming out of winter, you're going to have mostly suspension and steering problems. Again, back to the alignment machine, which is awesome. You come in and you'll see whether or not you're in or out of alignment, but with all the potholes and what the winter cold weather does to the roads, you're going to see a lot of wear and tear on suspension and steering parts, which you don't do anything about it, you're going to have some tire wear that you probably don't want. With the price of tires, you'd want to have that taken care of.
Wait, we have potholes here in Wisconsin?
Yeah, a couple.
I love it. Whether you've got an expensive repair or you've got an old vehicle, you can always talk to the service people here as well. The advisors are incredible. You guys do wonderful work. So it's time to schedule your appointment here at Van Horn Honda of Glendale. Thanks, Coach Chris.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, so do it. Schedule your appointment today with Van Horn Honda of Glendale. And when you do, mention the promo code TMJ4. You'll get 15% off your service bill up to $200. So this offer is good through April 30th. It's going to get you ready for spring. Their number is 414-352-6100. Or for more information, just go online at vhhondaglendale.com.